Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change the time zone on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be hopefully a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time. And into the start menu you want to type in time. Best Match should come back with change the date and time right above system settings. You want to left click on that one time here. So now in the settings window here, you want to go underneath the time zone area, left click inside the drop down one time, and from here you can change the time zone to whatever respective time zone you live in or you want to set it to. So again, right underneath time zone here, once you've made that change, all you have to do is just close out of here and you should be good to go. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.